Here awaits the heartland of Indian coffee. Here welcomes you the spice depot of Malabar coast. Here in Coorg Hills awaits the Coorg Cliffs Resort. In the heart of Polybeta in Coorg, at Hanjikad is set this resort amidst a plantation area of 300 acres. Green pastures roll around it. Fresh blooms shower the blessings of the Mother Nature. The 9 acres resort area spreads in the dale as its beauty spot. The journey might have shown you the hilly beauty of Coorg. Now it's time to explore its paradise, the Coorg Cliffs Resort. The resort displays an eco-friendly design which makes nature and luxury coexist. At the lobby of the resort, hotel crew would assist you to find the comforts tailored perfect for you. Have a look at the views outside. It's just a prologue. Lying in the hammock, feel the breeze embracing, or just sit and talk in the shades. Here, you would wish if the moments could stand still. The resort is designed to be one with nature and is an extension of the terrain that embraces it. The architecture of the resort just highlights the quintessential Coorg landscape. It's built around the trees and evolved on the natural lay of the land. Cottages, including one honeymoon suite, are there, with each giving wide-angle forested views from every room. The premium category cottage tavern is specially designed to brush away travel stress. It displays cozy fabrics and peaceful layouts. Each cottage is well appointed with creature comforts that look elegant and ample. Tranquil, the deluxe class cottage of the resort, has a vibrant styled interior. Apart from the indoor sitting area, there is also one in the balcony. Here, the sun rays would come closer to kiss your mornings. Also has an attached dressing area and other elite in-room facilities. Enjoying the stunning vistas of Western Ghats from the balcony, let yourself relax. It is treat. The deluxe category of rooms comprising of twin bedrooms is an ideal accommodation for groups or big families who are out on vacation. These rooms offer all the modern comforts and facilities in the scenic backdrop of Coorg. The standard category cottage offering some state-of-the-art comforts. As wonderful as the cuisine of the region are the restaurants of Coorg Cliffs Resort. Simply Veg, the vegetarian restaurant, has a fine dining ambience and boasts menus created to ensnare your taste buds. The food and the service, you would love both. Facilities are also there to serve large buffets and a la carte servings. Taste here some finest and exotic flavors. The resort wins the hearts of business travelers with ideal facilities for corporate meets and outings. It's well organized and lively with scenic views playing its backdrop. That picturesque panorama just looks like a portrait on its wall. This is the gym of the resort, built overlooking the pool and the quaint landscape in the vicinity. Here, you can stay in shape even on your day outs. Step out of the rooms. The outdoor here is action-packed. From trampoline to a vast play area, the resort has it all for your kids' recreation. For the grown-up or the growing stars, there is much for the tiny tots to try out for fun. There is sun in the horizon, hills on the borders of scenery, and a deck where your eyes could witness them all. It's Blue Lagoon, the pool of the resort. Feeling the caressing touch of waves lets your soul unwind. By the night, gets the mist thicker. Chill is in the air. So are songs and laughter. Around the fire, gather as mere strangers and grow to be friends by the time you sign off. The Cliffs' fame has been widespread. Now, adding more to it, here's unleashed a stopover to steal the hearts. The Coorg Cliffs Resort. Hiding jewels inside and outside, it stands here to amuse you. Leave your world behind and step in to another one here. It has all that you've seen only in dreams before. Coorg Cliffs Resort, Hanjikad Estate, Olibeta, South Kodagu, Karnataka. 571215. Phone 918274298427. Mobile 917022924900. 917022924800. Email sales@coorgcliffsresort.com or info@coorgcliffsresort.com. Website www.coorgcliffsresort.com. Reservations at coorgcliffsresort.com. Website www.coorgcliffsresort.com.